Oh yeah, we shine like stars. Oh yeah, we shine
Shafiq, what do you think about the desks?
Desks are cool. I'm just looking forward to sit on them and have all my stuff.
Yeah. Some good quality desks here, man. Guys transferring the footage from
Yeah, our first video going to be edited
yeah.
today. And let's see how it comes.
Yeah, man. Looking forward to seeing it.
Just put your laptop over here.
I just thought I'd let you guys know this is what the last petrol station looks like before you hit Abu Dhabi. Me and Holly live that way about 15-20 minutes. Back there is Abu Dhabi, is Dubai, that way is Abu Dhabi over there. So this is the last petrol station you get to before you head towards Abu Dhabi. Camera's right here. That camera's there, my camera's there, but the camera right here is pretty good though. This guy's doing some dodgy business. Let's go. Let's take out. Let's go.
This is what happens when it rains in Dubai. The rains come through here mixed with sand. It looks like a camel's took a dump on the all over the car.
What the hell's happened here, man?
And it's just been washed. And he's just woke up. You can go back to sleep. You want the camera?
Fucking hell.
What's up?
Well, we ain't got a windscreen wash, so we have to fucking...
Crackers. Oh, crackers. We've run out of fluids. This is never going to come up. You're going to have to get a sponge or something. Scrub it off. So Harris is just in a meeting and me and Cammy are here chilling. He's not entirely impressed. I think he's tired. He's had his milk. We changed his nappy and his outfit. He's wearing some dungarees. You can't really see them properly. Had to change it on the back seat. Oh, Harris is here now. How was your meeting?
Why are you vlogging me now when I'm stressed out?
Sorry, I didn't know you're stressed.
Sorry.
Meetings, eh?
I'm going to Ikea, I've got some office furniture. Alright people, so obviously as you saw earlier on today, the car's pretty filthy. So, it's time to wash this bugger. It's a bit of an old man word, isn't it? Bugger. Put you up here like this, brother. Got the hose pipe right here. Gonna do this. Hopefully, should have said it in the morning. Thought about it on the way home. Now I should have done it in the morning, man. Flipping hell, bro. Let's get a car wash. This is all me, bro. This is all me right here. From now on. Right, we're done. Wash the house. Who's crying, I swear?
Look, you've put him in the wrong way.
Oh shit. Cooks! Boss, chill out, lad. Hi! Holly's wearing the FND t-shirt gangster. Yeah, just cracking on with stuff, you know what I mean? We'll see you guys tomorrow for another daily vlog, where hopefully you'll see more and more of us grinding. F1 coming up soon, a lot to be confirmed, very exciting. Stay tuned and we'll see you guys for another daily dose of Madalala. Safe.
Young Abu Dhabi, they call me Young Abu Dhabi. Young Abu Dhabi, they call me Young Abu Dhabi.